All right, everybody, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I want to show you a couple of trades that I am in, just so you can see that the system actually works. So here, you can see I just entered this trade. What I like about this trade is because we actually had lost on this trade earlier this week, right about up in this area. That got us by about 2 pips. But as I told my team, one of the things you learn is how to be patient and wait, and you'll be able to re-enter for profit to get your money back. Okay, so you don't just lose trades. I don't like losing trades, and this is one of the ways that you keep your winning percentage up, because typically if they did hit your stop loss for whatever reason, wait a little while and they'll come back around and you are actually correct. And that's what I did here. So you can see I have 2 positions, one right here, and I just re-entered there and sent it off to the signals team as well. We have our target set right there. So that's one trade. And then we just entered this trade right here. And this is going to be a beautiful one. I like trading the Euro AUD with our simplicity system. And there you go. You see it just went into profit just now. And this is a live account for those who need to hear that. It is a live account. So, and I just sent this off to the signals team. So that one is in profit, and so I'm sure they're happy about that one. Let me show you another one. As you can see, I'm up 44 pips on that one. I'm up 18 pips on this one, just waiting for that one to go down a little bit more. I am currently 150 pips. Oh, I didn't even know. I didn't pay attention to that one. Currently up 150 pips on that one. And you can clearly see the entry points on that one. And then we're in on this one. That one has still got a ways to go to drop. So the dragon, or I call it the dragon, is paying off pretty nicely. So anyway, that's just a few trades with the trading system. And I'm always telling the team, be very patient and wait for good setups, good quality setups. And as I had taught in class today, actually yesterday, it's a new day now. As I taught in class yesterday, I told them that oftentimes you'll find that most traders trade way too much and too often. But if you'll be patient and wait for certain days and certain times, you'll realize that you can trade maybe 1 or 2 days or 3 at the most in a week. And you'll make tons of pips. Because you don't have to trade every single day. You really do not have to trade every single day. The name of the game is patience. So again, this is a live account and I'm showing you hundreds of pips already. Okay, so again, just learn to be patient, get our trading system, come to class so I can teach you, and you'll be able to earn some pips very easily. But the key is I'm going to have to reprogram your thinking to teach you a new way of trading so that you're not always stuck to the charts, staring at them, in and out of trades all day long and all these different things, when you can just wait and for the right days and the right times and jump into these trades, and there you go. You know, the money is there for you. Just sitting there waiting for those who are patient. Patience pays the bills. All right. So I'll leave these running. Again, this is 12 pips, so it's still going. And let's check on our AUD. Let me check on our AUD. There we go. All right. So there you are. It's still running. So I'll just leave this here for a little bit. But basically, that's it. You know, we just wait, be patient. It's like fishing. You know, you don't just because you threw your pole in the water doesn't mean the fish are instantly going to jump on it. You have to wait and just be patient. OK, so that's that. I'll wrap this video up. You see the proof. You see that it works. So enjoy the weekend and talk to you soon.